If anyone has the HE3t Kenmore Elite washer and it won't spin out, let me show you what to look for. There's a piece right on the bottom of the drum in the back, take the panel off, that gets filled with lint. I'm going to clean it out and hopefully this should fix the problem. Okay, just got it cleaned out, fixing to reinstall it. There's one little screw in the back that you detach and then reattach there. You clip your wires back onto the holder and reattach your tube that goes to the sensor. And I'm going to leave the back open until I'm assured that the fix works and the machine spins out. Well, FYI, before you do all of that, you got to go to the front of the machine, take the part off in the front where you can get to the water pump, and get you a bucket and plenty of towels, and there's probably water already in the machine when it quit working, so you're gonna have to drain out about maybe a half a gallon or less of water and clean that mess up, and then you can go to the back sensor. Okay, I just put it on rinse spin mode just to make sure it's going to spin out. So I just started it up, and when it goes into spin cycle, I'll let you know. Okay, just went into spin mode. And wait for the cycle to end and then close everything back up. What happens is that the device gets plugged into that and it will tell the machine that it's full. It'll tell an F2, I think, or an F12 code. And that's what it is. This little booger here is plugged up full of lint and won't let the machine spin out. There's 3 screws holding the bottom kick plate on. All the way in there. On each corner, one in the middle. It takes a T15 star bit for all those 3 and one's holding the back shoulder. We'll wait for the machine to finish so the final will spin out before I put the back on. Be careful when you take that kick plate off. I just got a trim tool kit and pried it from each side just a little bit once I got those 3 screws off, and it just pops right back on. Okay, I just got the back plate on. You don't have to take the very top off. I didn't even disconnect my water lines or my drain. I just unplugged the unit. Then I took this screw and this screw out and the whole rest of them on the back, including the 2 middles, and then it just drops down from under the lip and comes off. An older machine, but it works really great. It's washed thousands of loads. It's the Kenmore HE3t.